Are you a Gen Z, or do you belong to the era of Gen Y or the Gen X? Or want to know which one you are? Don't worry, I am here for this. Welcome to our special segment of Explainer, in which we will talk about the hot trending battle of millennials and Gen Z, and will tell you about the different generations of the modern era. Let's start with the older ones, that is millennials. Millennials, also known as Generation Y or Gen Y, are individuals born between 1981 and 1996. They are categorized by having grown up during a period of rapid technological advancement, transitioning from analog to a digital world. This generation witnessed the rise of the internet, mobile phones, and social media, which have greatly influenced their communication and work habits. Millennials are often seen as adaptable, tech-savvy, and value-driven. They have also experienced significant global events such as the 9/11 attacks, the 2008 financial crisis, also India winning the '83 World Cup, and ongoing climate change crisis shaping their outlook on work, society, and personal life. Generation Z, often referred to as Gen Z, includes individuals born between 1997 and 2012. This generation is the first to grow up entirely in the digital era, with smartphones, social media, and constant connectivity being integral part of their lives from a very young age. Gen Z is highly tech-savvy, adept at using digital platforms for communication, learning, and entertainment. This was all a small intro about these generations. To make it clear, let's deeply understand these generations. Millennials and Gen Z differ significantly in their relationship with technology, communication, work attitude, and cultural identity. Millennials experienced the transition from analog to digital, growing up with the early internet and mobile phones. In work, they prioritize flexibility and meaningful careers, often job hopping for better opportunities. In contrast, Gen Z are true digital natives, raised with smartphones, social media, and instant access to information. They prefer quick visual communication through platforms like Snapchat or Instagram. However, on the other hand, a study found that people in this age group suffer the most from depression, anxiety, and obesity. According to the Pew Research Center, around 70% of the people are affected by some sort of depression or anxiety. For this generation, in addition to mental health, financial security is also going to be a big challenge. This study suggests that people from this generation struggle to find purpose of their lives. The reason for this is cited as digital overloading. Moreover, spending too much time on social media and watching the glamorous lives of influencers make Gen Z feel dissatisfied with their own lives. According to a global survey, 18.8% of Gen Z high school students, about 1 in 5 think about committing suicide, and 8.9% of students have already attempted it. Additionally, this generation is also highly prone to substance abuse. Moreover, apart from Gen Y and Gen Z, there are typically 5 more generations recognized in modern demographics. We will tell you how they are different from Gen Z and Y, and how they all got their unique names. First, the greatest generation. From 1901 to 1927, this generation lived through the Great Depression and fought in or were impacted by the World War II. Second, the silent generation. From 1928 to 1945. This generation grew up during the Great Depression and World War II and were labeled silent because they often avoided activism and upheaval, focusing on rebuilding after the war and creating stable lives. Third, baby boomers. From 1946 to 1964. The term baby boomers refers to the post-World War II boom in birth rates, as many countries experienced a significant increase in the birth rates. Fourth, Generation X. From 1965 to 1980. Generation X refers to the people born after the baby boomers. The letter X symbolizes their unknown or unidentified nature, as they grew up during a time of shifting societal norms and uncertainty about the future. Fifth, Millennials. From 1981 to 1996. Originally referred to as Generation Y, this group was dubbed Millennials because they came of age at the turn of new millennium, that is 2000. Sixth, Generation Z, from 1997 to 2012. Generation Z or Gen Z got its name following the convention of labeling generation alphabetically after Generation X and Millennials, that is Generation Y. Seventh, Generation Alpha, from 2013 till present. Generation Alpha follows Gen Z and marks a return to the start of the Greek alphabet, with Alpha being the first letter. So, this was the overall explanation of the Gen Y and Gen Z, and also about the different generations of the 21st and the 22nd century. I hope with this it is now easy for you to decide in which Gen era do you belong. Do tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video. Namaskar, Jai Hind.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।